Uh, hum, uh, Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting tonight will be the do-it-yourself uh, sound system. Do-it-yourself meaning I was the one who assembled this one by using my available electronic gadgets. Sound system meaning there will be a source of a music, and there will be an amplifier to increase or decrease that music which we could use in our house. So what I did is that I got a board here. So I installed the top portion here is my FM receiver. It got an LED indicator, and it got a jack here. This should be the output jack, and this output jack is diverted at the back. It came out here, and it is inserted on the input of a TDA 2003 amplifier. It's a module. Okay. The power supply of this small FM receiver is actually at the back. It's two 1.5 volt battery in series. So I made a manual switch. This is the manual switch. So if I will try to connect this white thing over here, this FM receiver will be switched on. Later on, I will show you on the complete operation. This is the setup for the FM receiver, like what I said. The power supply is at the back. It got two 1.5 volt battery, and the manual switch is this one. I just do it myself. So when I try to operate this sound system, I will just connect this white thing here to this, and the radio will be on, and at the same time the amplifier should also be powered up. Like right now, this TDA 2003 amplifier is now powered up. Those are the components. So this is actually the volume control. This is the audio in to this amplifier. Okay. And the power supply of this audio amplifier is this one here. It's a small plug-in transformer, in which the output, I tried to monitor the output of this transformer here. It's an 18.4 volts DC. So luckily I installed a DC monitor for me to monitor the input voltage. So right now this amplifier is powered up. So the only missing thing now is to power up the FM receiver so we could hear the sound from this do-it-yourself sound system. Okay, so this is the power supply of the amplifier. The other portions of this do-it-yourself sound system is the audio output from the amplifier. So I bring out the audio output here on the right side. This is for the left speaker. The left speaker, this wire here goes at the back, and it goes here. So this is actually the left speaker. So it got a mark speaker number 1. These two wires here is now connected to this speaker here, of course the left and right, and the upper one, it should go to the upper speaker, right speaker Of course, this goes back to the back, so we could not see the wire anymore. And the two wires coming out from this output here is soldered to the left and right terminals of the right speaker. So for this sound system to operate, there should be a sound coming out from the FM receiver, and the output goes here, goes at the back. It will be entered to the audio amplifier here, audio in. Okay, so if there is a small audio in here, it will be amplified. Okay, so the sound will be coming out from these two wires here. This is for speaker number 1. This one is for speaker number 2. So when the FM receiver is activated, of course, there will be a sound for the house. And let's try to see if this do-it-yourself sound system, which is placed on a small board, hang on our what do you call this? What's this wall? I make it good so it looks nice while it is hung up. So actually the markings are here. Speaker number 1, this is the AM FM receiver, this portion here. This is the stereo amplifier, this one here, HATD82003. Speaker number 2, this is the terminal where the voltage is coming in, and it is monitored by this digital monitor here. So right now the input voltage coming from this small transformer is 18.4 volts DC. And I think that's the proper voltage to be applied to this TDA stereo amplifier for it to operate. It is not 12 volts, it's around 18 volts. So let's try to see if this do-it-yourself sound system really works. So what I will do, the amplifier is now powered up. It's just waiting for the audio in to be amplified. So I will put this manual switch on the FM amplifier. I do it myself. Like what I said, it's do it yourself. So I will try to tap in this one now.
Elected mayor. I shall monitor the situation closely. The governor does have the power to remove items from
And it
office
works.
under certain conditions.
If I will try to raise the volume.
The Texas measles outbreak is now 48 confirmed cases, the worst in 30 years. This is CBS News. A riddle brought to you by Progressive
It
Insurance.
works.
What do your home and auto
It
have in
works.
common? Progressive protects them both. It was an
This
easy
is
riddle. Learn more
the
at
do-it-yourself
progressive.com.
sound system.
From the downtown LA Law Group Injury Help Studios.
This is Southern California.
Good evening from Los Angeles.
97.1
This
FM.
is Professor
Channel
David
3
J.
Los Angeles.
Gilles
This is the KNX Evening News.